What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today I wanted to actually do an update video on the Fezibo standing desk that I purchased a while ago and actually reviewed on my channel. So I wanted to kind of do like a update video to show you like what the status is of it. I think it's been over a year, maybe two possibly, on how much like work has been done on it, how much wear and tear has been done, and what the status is of it currently, and if it's still worth it to buy. So the first thought I'm going to give is on pricing. This was purchased for $285 when I initially purchased it. This desk as of today is worth $200 right now. So the price has dropped significantly. I think if you go on Amazon, it actually says it's $400 and they're giving it off for 50%, something around the lines of that. So all the links will be in the description below, as well as like these other items if you want to purchase as well. So I want to kind of like show you how the desk has been, and I will pull it up as well to show you like from a wear and tear perspective. So if you look at the desk itself, it has actually had absolutely zero wear and tear on the desk. The only section that it has is this section, because I actually drink water and green tea, so a lot of hot green tea gets put here. So you can actually see the desk did kind of, or the wood, chip away a little bit, maybe because of the hot water, maybe because it wasn't able to like kind of handle it. Well, maybe that's the only thing I can say, but other than that, you can see all the other spots on the desk are perfectly fine. There's like some dust here, but again, the desk itself is in great condition. I gotta clean this better often. But you can see like I have everything, my mic here, my computer, my desk, like 2 monitors, the laptop, everything is specifically there, and it's all in good condition. This is where I'm always touching it, using it, working like continuously, putting my hands on it. Like I said, hot water I guess is probably bad for it, because this, again, hot water drips on it, steam, like I guess the water droplets, or it's either the cup is too hot for it, or the water droplets do mess it up. But again, this is the only component of this that there is an issue, I would say, for this specific one. So outside of that, there has been absolutely zero issues. Now moving on into the actual desk itself. So I still have my components set up. So the way you do this, just as a quick reminder, is you set up down to whichever one you want, then you hold into it and it sets to that height. So this is, I think, the max height that I have it on. I've said that before. I have like a treadmill under that I just pulled up, and then I just usually work on it. So you can see the thing is going up all the way. I think it goes to 47 inches, 47.2. Yeah, I think, yeah, maybe probably the highest. So you can still see it goes up smoothly. I have not done any, I don't know if you're supposed to like change any oil or anything, but I think you're supposed to just let it run. So never had any issues from that component. Like I said, the wood quality is still good. Like I don't know if I had the cabinet or whatever you want to call it, like a shelf here initially. I did take it off. I didn't like it. I didn't want it. So that was taken off. So you can see the quality of it from this perspective. Just want to kind of show you. So it is still good. Like you can see, everything even from the sides working perfectly fine, no issues there, and it's a good quality desk. I honestly will say it is a very good quality desk. It works perfectly fine and it gets the job done, right? Which is the main thing. It's especially now the price point. I wish it was $200 when I bought it, but the price has dropped even more. The height is perfectly fine for me. I'm about 5'7"-ish, I would say 5'8"-ish, and again, this works fine for me. This is actually a little too high, but this is because when I work, I pull the treadmill and then I'll work on it. So then it ends up being perfectly fine for me. So I would say if you're about maybe 5'9" to even 10, maybe even 6 feet, maybe you could be able to actually work here, because right now my hand is bent, so that kind of like makes it a little bit annoying. I don't like to work like that. So it is for a good height as well. Again, they have bigger heights as well, and I would say the width of it is perfect, right? Because it's sufficiently enough. I have 2 monitors and the length of it. I would say from that perspective, I have 2 monitors and a laptop, and I have extra stuff on it. And I just took some stuff also, so I usually have a water bottle, my tea cup over here, and a few other things. There's like a bunch of remotes over here, little things I usually have on top of that. My wireless charger, my keyboard switcher. So I have like a lot of stuff on this place, and I can have probably more. I can even be better organized if I put the monitor clips on the thing to be able to kind of like work it out better. So overall, a lot of things are available. A lot of things can be done better. But like I said, very good quality. It gets the job done. It's in a good shape. And I don't know, I personally like it. The feel of it has stayed. I've used other desks before. Like I bought from IKEA. They're very cheap. They're sturdy. They move a lot. This is like, it's good. It doesn't move. Like I remember like just move it a little or kick it. Or not even kick it, like hit my knee on it because I was sitting down. And it would just just start shaking like crazy. So personally would recommend this. So like I said, 2+ years have happened. The overall desk is in great quality. It's in great shape with the exception of just that. From a wear and tear perspective, it gets the job done. I would say from other desks, if you're looking for like something at a higher end so you can easily work from home, get the job done right, you know, feel good, like have some good quality to it, good feel to it, and let it last like for a long time, this is it. Almost, I want to say years, if not 2 years already, plus years maybe, this has gotten the job done. This has done pretty damn well, and I would highly recommend folks to actually check this one out. Like I said, all the other products, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check out as well if you want to purchase those as well. But yeah, I would say this is it for this specific one. On top of this, I am thinking of purchasing other desks as well. So if you guys do want to let me know, like to change up my setup, I'm more than happy to like look into low budget, mid budget, and like high end budget desks as well. So let me know in the comment section below if you have specific ones you'd like me to review, because I try to give like a first person review on how those actual things are rather than like a fake review. That's usually my preference, to give like a first-hand, real first person review on these specific products. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overlooked this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to that notification bell. Other than that, simple product reviews out. Peace.